Hi, in front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to remove and enter your current login method. Lastly, click on Delete button next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!